Using the survival tabs for the purpose of replacing meals during a natural disaster such as earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes is an extremely good choice. With just 2 bottles of this product, you have a total of 360 chewable tabs that don't require any liquid to be ingested. And they provide 30 days worth of supplies for a person. These tabs are ready to be consumed and they require no preparation at all. You will also find that they do not need refrigeration or any kind of specific storage to be used. They are super lightweight to carry anywhere, and they are gluten-free as well as non-GMO with a shelf life of 25 years. There are many types of natural disasters that can make it impossible for someone to go out and shop for groceries for their family. In some cases, people have been stuck in their homes for several weeks, and some natural disaster outcomes could last over a month depending on your location and on size of the population in your area. This is the reason why these replacement tabs are so useful in this type of situation. These tabs provide an outstanding level of nutritional value with 100% of the USRDA containing 15 essential vitamins that are supplemented by essential minerals. The protein quality is available for the body to use at 97% of the content, and 99% of the tab's caloric content can be used for the purpose of energy supply for the body. Most others foods will have a 30 to 60% max of energy source. This makes the survival tabs a much better choice than other products. The best thing about this particular product is that it comes in flavors such as chocolate, butterscotch, strawberry, and vanilla. This means that children are also going to love them, and they will enjoy eating them in case of an emergency. This is also an excellent way to avoid going into your stored food and keeping that stored for an advanced state of emergency that lasts more than a few weeks to a month. Keeping enough supplies of these tabs is great as they can last for 25 years, so you also want to keep a stash in store that is assigned to be the last thing you use in case you run out of food. Another excellent benefit of these tablets is that they provide an outstanding boost in energy levels and mental clarity. The ease of digestion and assimilation of the nutrients in these tabs is one of the most attractive aspects of this survival food that should always be on the emergency shelves in any household. Natural disasters are always around the corner and being prepared for them is essential. Some people criticize preppers for being too careful about preparing for any crisis caused by society, but the natural disasters are always going to be there even if society is not in any type of crisis. Get your survival tabs today and be ready to provide nourishment for you and your loved ones at all times.